Iowa voters will have the final say on a gun amendment to the state's constitution when it appears on a ballot next year.
The amendment passed along party lines in both the House and Senate today after hours of debate. KCCI's Kayla James tells us where legislators didn't see eye to eye.
The movement of the proposed gun amendment to Iowa's constitution didn't come quickly Thursday after hours of a debate that ended in a 29-18 vote in the Senate and 58-41 in the House, both along party lines.
Pushing that no button is denying Iowans to weigh in.
I urge a no vote on Senate Joint Resolution 7.
The amendment's language states the right of the people to keep and bear arms shall not be infringed. And it goes on to read, any and all restrictions of this right shall be subject to strict scrutiny. The phrase strict scrutiny caused a lot of debate Thursday. Democrats worry the amendment would negatively impact current and future gun safety laws.
It holds all gun laws to a higher standard, which means that things like background checks and other common sense gun reforms that everybody likes are much harder to keep in place.
Along with Republican lawmakers, supporters of the amendment argue that's not the case, saying the amendment would ensure the protection of gun rights in the court.
What we're trying to do is make it hard to pass laws that are infringements on a fundamental right.
Richard Rogers with the Iowa Firearms Coalition remembers when the bill moved through the legislature in 2019.
Great immediate impact, but except that it is a correction of a long overlooked failure of Iowa to include this protection in our Constitution.
But those against the amendment find other issues.
It doesn't do anything to address the problems that guns are causing in our communities.
Andrew Dunn with March for Our Lives Iowa says he believes if the amendment is voted in, it won't end statewide gun laws. But Dunn believes voters will have a lot to weigh when making this vote.
Start thinking about your community, your state, and what good this will really do.
Kayla James, KCCI 8 News, Iowa's news leader.